Well, an outsider might have won the Melbourne Cup, but the favourite won the rate cut stakes half an hour earlier. As usual, there were three horses in that race: Cut, Hike and Hold. Cut and Hike threw off their riders at the start and then ran the other way, but it didn't matter because no one had any money on them. All the money was on hold. So the Aussie dollar is steady tonight at 66 US cents. Here's 30 years of the RBA cash rate, and while it's up a long way from 0.1% in 2.5 years, it's only just above average. But of course, the household debt upon which interest is paid is anything but average. In those 40 years, it's gone from 70% of income to 190% of income. The RBA also released its quarterly statement on monetary policy today with its annual confession of forecasting hits and misses. The big miss has been productivity since COVID. The RBA thought it would increase, but it collapsed instead. Big mistake, because as Paul Krugman said, productivity isn't everything, but in the long run, it's almost everything. I would add that that especially applies to its effect on interest rates. On the share market, Domino's Pizza got burnt after announcing that Chief Executive Don Meij will be retiring. Now, he's 55 and he's been working for Domino's for 37 years, so he started at 18 and he became CEO at 33. He listed Domino's in 2005 with a value of $135 million and it's now worth $3 billion, selling pizzas around the globe. The market finished 0.4% lower. Shares fell in New York last night but rose strongly in Japan and China today, and on commodity markets, iron ore, copper and oil all went up between 1% and 2%, while gold eased. And that's finance.